Now we are coming on criteria for the consistency of equation. Now see here, if a pair of linear equation is given to us, where two equations which are given to us are a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Say this one as the first equation. The second equation which is given to us is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Say this one as second equation. Now first case, if a1 by a2, that is ratio of the coefficient of x, it is not equal to b1 by b2, that is ratio of coefficient of y. These two are if not equal, then we'll say that these equations, this pair of equation is consistent. Consistent, it means it has an answer, and the pair has unique solution. And whatever the solution of this equation, it is unique. It means only one solution. And if we are going to draw a line for the equation in a Cartesian plane, the line will intersect at one point. Now after this, we are coming on the second case. If coefficient of x, ratio of coefficient of x, that is a1 by a2, it is equal to ratio of coefficient of y, that is b1 by b2, and it is equal to ratio of constant terms in both equations, that is c1 by c2. All these three are equal. Then we will say the pair of linear equation is dependent. Dependent and consistent. Dependent and consistent. Dependent means solution of these equations, they depend upon both equations. We need both equations to find out answer. And consistent, it has an answer. And it has infinitely many solutions. There are many solutions. Why it is like this? Because the lines for these equations will coincide. As all the point on one line lies on the another line which is drawn for the another equation, so all the points on both lines are solution. Now third case arises, if a1 by a2, it means ratio of coefficients of x, it is equal to ratio of coefficients of y, but it is not equal to ratio of the constant in both terms. That is a1 by a2, it is equal to b1 by b2, and it is not equal to c1 by c2. In this case, the pair of linear equation is inconsistent. Inconsistent, it means it has no answer. We are not able to find out value of x and y in this case, and thus it has no solution. And the lines of, when we are going to draw lines for these equations, these two equations, equation 1 and equation 2, in this case the lines will be parallel. The lines are not meeting at any point, so in this case this pair has no solution.